Control of level of hormones. Okay, who controls the level of hormones? We will see now. We have studied about the control of nervous system over secretion of hormones. Okay, so secretion of hormones controlled by the nervous system also. And also nervous system means what? In the nervous system, what are the things we have? Brain, spinal cord, and also the what is present? Nerves are present. Yes, central nervous system means brain and the spinal cord. Okay, so it is the brain is there, you see. Okay, so nervous system controls the release of hormones. Not only the nervous system, there is another one is there which controls the release of hormones, which is the one, it is the pituitary gland. Okay, pituitary gland controls the hormones. The hormones secreted by this gland have various roles in our body, like growth and development. Okay, so pituitary gland also release the hormones. That hormones, what they will do? They will be controlling the release of the hormones of another glands. So it is also play. Pituitary gland also help for what? For the growth and development. And afterwards, what? Underline this point. Pituitary gland, what are the works it is doing? It will be developing the growth and development, and afterward use of sugar and lactation in mother's breast, feeding their babies. Lactation means when the mother give milk to the small baby, na, so that milk also will be coming for the mother because of this gland only, pituitary gland. Okay, feeding their babies, etc. Apart from this, hormones secreted from the pituitary gland control the release of hormones by several other glands like pancreas, thyroid, adrenal, testes, ovary. So underline all these points. What is the pituitary gland is doing? Pituitary gland helps releases the hormone. That hormones helps for the growth and development, use of sugar. Lactation means that milk, na, release of milk in the mother's breast, and then afterwards also it will be releasing controlling the release of hormones in what are the glands? Pancreas, thyroid, adrenal, and testes. Okay, but only parathyroid is not given here. The hormones released from other glands also affect the release of respective pituitary hormone. Okay, so for example, a hormone of pituitary gland controls the secretion of thyroxine. Thyroxine hormone is released by what? Thyroid. If thyroxine level increases in blood, the release of the pituitary hormone stops. Okay, so pituitary gland control the thyroid gland, na? Thyroid gland releases which hormone? Thyroxine. So if thyroxine level increases in blood, the release of pituitary hormone stops. If the thyroxine is more in the blood means, so automatically pituitary gland will stop the release of the thyroxine. The size of testes and ovaries increases during the adolescence. So testes means, you know, na, in the male testes, in the female ovary. Their growth also controlled by the pituitary gland. This gonad stimulating hormones of pituitary gland also maintain level of hormones secreted by ovaries and testes. Ovary and testes are very important for male. Ovary is important for the female. Because of that ovary only we can know it is a female. Because of the testes only we know it is a female. Sorry, it is a male. Understand? Okay. Next one. So here, on such hormone is a type of adrenal gland stimulating hormone that stimulates the secretion of hormone from the inner part of the adrenal glands. Our heart rate increases and blood flows into the muscles of higher rate during emotional situations and during exercise due to the effect of this adrenal hormone. Adrenal hormone releases what? It controls the level of salt, na? That means it also controls the emotions level like tension, fear, and everything, na? When we do the exercise and when we do something, blood circulation will be good when we are happy. And when we are sad, tension, angry, and negative thinking, our blood circulation will be slow, and sometimes it will not be, blood circulation not good means we don't be healthy. Blood circulation should be good means we should be always happy and keep always in good mood and positive. That time release of hormones also will be balanced. Okay, so that is the one. Okay, so all these things, that is why we say sick patient should be happy always. Understand? So this is the one. So that is why we say okay, a connection between nervous system and glands that release hormones exists. Once again, a connection between nervous system and glands that release hormones exists all through our body. An important and extensive connection being formed in the brain with strands of nervous tissue and pituitary gland. Okay, so there is a connection between the pituitary brain with strands of nervous tissue and pituitary gland. Okay, there is a connection between what? Between the nervous system. In the nervous system, what is there? Nerve tissues means nerve cells, and spinal cord, brain, and the pituitary gland. That is why all this controls the secretion of the hormones in the blood. So if it is because of this connection that often why doctors suggest something, question they ask me, this answer you have to write. Underline all these points. It is because of this connection that often your doctor suggests if you stay in high spirit means during illness, means when we are sick, if you are happy and if your mental health is good, always positive means what? So we cured quickly. That means what? We become all right quickly, very fast. Okay, and the next one you see. Now control and coordination in plants. We see in the next video.